Find a comfortable position and settle into your body. Just be here right now. There's nothing more important at this point than being present. There's nothing to achieve, nothing to fix. Begin by noticing how you are breathing, without effort, without instruction. It's so easy to take this wonderful event, this beautiful transaction between life and the body, for granted. But take a few moments now just to appreciate the breath of life. Thoughts and feelings of some description will be moving through the mind. Images, memories, plans, worries, all moving under their own steam, with their own sense of value and importance. Let them be there and observe them for a moment, with only kind judgment. Now notice something quite profound, something you know deep down but have failed to register, or maybe have noticed from time to time. If you think about it, you are aware of these thoughts, images, memories, concerns and plans. But if you can see them, hear them, sense them, then they cannot be you. They are separate and distinct. You are the one observing them. A lovely way to conceptualize this is to imagine for a moment that you are like the sky, vast and open, and thoughts are clouds drifting across it, some light and wispy, some dark and heavy. But the sky does not chase the clouds. The sky is not perturbed by them. The sky is not damaged by their passing. It just provides a space in which they can exist. Try now to really connect with the power of this analogy, with the idea that you are the sky. If you're really present, you will notice that no matter what thoughts appear, each one arises, lingers for a time and dissolves back into the space from which it emerged. And yet, you remain. You are the stillness that notices the movement. You are the silence that hears the sound. You are the one that observes the images as they come and go. The more this awareness settles and the recognition deepens, the more you feel an incredible sense of liberation. Sit in this consciousness for a while longer and remember that you are the sky, vast and open, and your thoughts, feelings, and whatever else is passing through you are just the weather, doing what the weather does. You notice how thoughts and feelings lose their grip when they are seen clearly. They no longer have the power to pull you into their stories. They no longer define how you feel and who you are, because you are separate from it all. You are the wise observer. Just rest here for a moment. When the mind tries to comment on any experience, which it will, let that be noticed, but realize this is just another cloud, another passing form, and gently remind yourself, I am not what appears. I am the one that is aware. From this place, negative influences lose their power. They cannot attach. They cannot control. They simply come and pass through, and you remain untouched, sitting in this knowing. Let this knowing anchor itself deeply within you. Now, when you're ready to go back to your day, let this new awareness be your guide, your North Star. You are the sky that houses the weather. You are the observer that sees it all. You can choose the nature of your experiences by remembering that you are separate. The stillness, the wise silence. Throughout the day, reclaim the truth of this, and there you will find power, clarity, and strength. This is how to master the mind